Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we will continue our sheep meat manufacturing or the lamb or mutton, but I want to note a very important note that the critical control points mentioned in this tutorial video from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel are neither mandatory nor cover all the critical control points in your industry, either you are in meat industry or other industry, as the best choice in this proper flowchart are the proper risk assessment, taking into consideration the main hazards in the food industry, which is physical hazard, the biological hazard, either the vegetative pathogen form or spore forming pathogen, the chemical hazard, the allergen hazard, the radiation hazard, halal or kosher, and the GMO, which is genetically modified organism. So in our example, these are the whole steps of the sheep manufacturing meat steps, starting from number 1 to number 16. So let's mention the proper 4 CCPs in our mentioned industry. The first selected CCP are the selection of healthy animals. Okay, it's very important to select healthy animal experienced by a veterinarian to avoid sick animals or ill animals, which causes contagious diseases to other animals and bad meat quality. So the first CCP are the selection of the healthy animals. Selected CCP number 2 or critical control point number 2 are the bleeding efficiency, which is after step number 4. The appropriate bleeding involves severing the carotid arteries and the jugular veins or the blood vessels from which they arise, either the common carotid arteries or the jugular veins. The bruises, the hemorrhages, and poor bleeding efficiency can negatively affect the color of the meat and can cause undesirable discoloration and short shelf life for the meat or the lamb and mutton. The selected CCP number 3 are the removal of head, legs, other cutting and evisceration of the internal organs. The removal of the head or the legs or the other cutting and evisceration, which is removal of the internal organs, to avoid the contamination of the meat from foreign materials in these organs and microbiological hazards from the head, legs, other and internal organs. So the removal of these parts are very critical to the lamb and mutton industry. The selected very important CCP number 4 and 5 are the temperatures or the chilling process efficiency. The chilling process at 7 Celsius or 44.6 Fahrenheit on the meat surface, or 12 Celsius or 53.6 Fahrenheit internally, which is mean inside the meat itself, in depth 15 centimeter or 5.9 inches, and the fridge temperature is from about 0 to 2 Celsius, which is 32 to 35.6 Fahrenheit, and the relative humidity 85 to 90%. The temperature and time of storage are very critical for controlling the microbiological hazards in the sheep meat industry, the lamb or the mutton. So finally, our CCPs, starting from number 2, selection of animals, which is CCP number 1. The bleeding efficiency are CCP number 2. The removal of head, legs, other cutting and evisceration of the internal and removal of the internal organs are CCP number 3. Number 4 and 5 are chilling process. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share our comment. Thank you so much, and with my best wishes for all of you. Thank you so much, and if there is any comments, please don't hesitate to write it in the comment tab. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we will continue our sheep meat manufacturing or the lamb or mutton, but I want to know